the dirt off this joint, man. Y'all see how filthy this is? That's crazy. How wet it is now. That shit look like a whole new bike. That's crazy. Yeah, that stuff for sure work good. Man, the homie got me right. Man, you gotta tell him, man. Noah's Auto Care, y'all. Man with the plan, man. Come check my boy out. He
Go get a roadside assistance.
everything you need, man. Tap in with my boy. He got the IG right there, the phone number. Book your appointment, man. Definitely, man. I'm telling y'all see how dirty this bike was the past few videos. He got it shined up, literally. The frame is looking good. That's what's crazy. My boy about to get me right. Got the van. Got that window tint. I'm about to wash this thing up, man. This thing is super dirty. About to get this joint washed up. I gotta check my boy Instagram out. I ain't gonna lie, my mind is running right now. I can't even think of the name. But, give me a second. I'm about to get all that information for y'all right now. Had to pack my tools up for the weekend. You know, the shop is closed, so we gotta get to it, but yes, sir. We about to knock all the dirt off this joint, man. Y'all see how filthy this is? I'm not tripping off the connectors and all that stuff because it got a long time to dry. Only thing I'm really tripping on that I need to cover is literally just the air cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but we got it coming, man. My boy about to get me right. Yes, sir. The homie got the van. I need to give me one of these, but no cap. I need the one like the lady just had, Chanel. Trying to pull up like Chanel did. Homie got the joint though. Got the work truck. Can't wait. Hey. Hey, come back some more. I can't roll the bike out.
All right.
The homie about to get me right, man. I gotta check the homie detail business out, man.
Noah's Auto Care, man. To pull up on
Nah, for real, Noah's Auto Care. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Out here, man.
The homie got the van. He be doing some professional shit.
Shit dirty right now.
Nah, you good. Bro, I tell you every time, man. You got the inside looking like money. He got all the tools and gadgets y'all need. I'm telling y'all, he everywhere y'all need, man. LA, everywhere around here. He'll get y'all right for sure. Y'all see, he came all the way to pull up on me, man. My boy got everything. But yeah, this shit, I literally just want to rinse this shit out. I just power wash this shit and soap it up, and then I'll wipe it down or whatever. But this shit just too fucking dirty, bro. Every time I touch it, like fuck, nigga, hands so dusty. This shit is filthy.
Wet up or not?
You can wet everything.
You got a brush to push the water out? That little brush.
Yeah, I do that. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, that soap did it. That's crazy. This is what I needed. Telling y'all, the homie gonna get y'all right, man. Noah's Auto Care on Instagram. He gonna get y'all right. And y'all see, this is a parts bike. This ain't even nothing wet. But y'all see, he still pulled up with the whole 100% technique like it was a complete bike, man. I'm telling y'all, I gotta come.
Enter the win.
Yes, sir. Y'all hear him, man. Y'all gotta come check my boy out. That's for sure. That's crazy, bro. That shit was so dirty. Nah, I'm telling you, man. Y'all see the dirt rolling off that. Yeah, that's amazing, bro. That power washer with that pressure did some shit. That's crazy. The van? What the fuck? That's crazy. That's wild. And they gotta really be careful out here. They just want to see. Damn. That's crazy. That's a lot, bro. Yeah, this is nuts. Woo. Rain, wet. New money. Crazy. That's crazy. Look how wet that is, y'all. All that dirt knocked off. That's nuts. That shit's crazy. Wet it is now. That should look like a whole new bike. That's crazy. For real. That's crazy. That's it. Woo. I might have to when I leave this motherfucker. Oh God. That's crazy. The homie got me right, man. This bike was just super dirty.
You got an outlet in here?
I don't got no power, bro.
Actually, I use my generator.
That's what's crazy. That's why I had to try to step up out this joint.
Oh, yeah.
No air circulation. Man, the homie got me right. Y'all see where to go to, man. Noah's Auto Care. He gonna pull up, get you right from the car, bike, everything you need, man. We got it cleaned up. That is crazy. I ain't even too pressed for the frame now. This black wet. That's nuts. Just like that, man.
You wanna plug that up, fool?
Yep, I got you. Where's plug it? Oh, it's the thing. Oh, let's watch out for that water. We got it going though, man. Y'all see it. Get strong on me. Yeah, that blower is some smart shit. Man, we got the bike super cleaned up, man. Y'all see what it is. Everything is looking so much better. Y'all seen all the dirt that was on this? We looking good now. Shout out to the homie, man. Noah's Auto Care, man. Y'all see where to go. Yeah, that stuff for sure work good.
You see I don't leave no threads and shit?
Nah, for sure. That's crazy because it make that metal really shine. Yeah, that's cool right there. That's nuts. Man, the homie got us a whole detail, man. I'm telling y'all. Now I ain't got no detail like this with one wheel on the bike.
Oh, me, I just realized.
I'm telling you, for real. That's crazy, man. This thing has really came together. I swear. I could have just left the dirt, but it make everything way better when you get to put in brand new stuff on the bike. Yeah, it's like hands be clean. It'd be way better. That's crazy. This thing looking good. Complete transform. Man, the homie got me right. Man, you gotta tell him, man. Noah's Auto Care, y'all. Man with the plan, man. Come check my boy out. He gonna get you right, man. I'm telling y'all, he got all the top of the line equipment you can use. Y'all see the bike, man. This is a salvage bike, literally. Yes, sir. Let me zoom in for y'all. Y'all see it, man.
Do a little bit of roadside assistance.
Everything you need, man. Tap in with my boy. He got the IG right there, the phone number. Book your appointment, man. Get right.
Man. Wherever you at, nigga, pull it
up. Definitely, man. I'm telling y'all see how dirty this bike was the past few videos. He got it shined up, literally. The frame is looking good.
Right now.
That's what's crazy. Yeah, this frame for sure might just stay black. That's crazy, bro. That shit really transformed. That's what's crazy. In the sun, you can see everything looking good. That's nuts.
Get a small pad like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Put it on there, huh?
The smaller circle one. You can just go over.
Wow.
First pad on there.
Yeah.
You can literally hit any little part.
Every little part, huh?
Everything, all this shit.
That's crazy. Yeah. See, I gotta get my tools up, man. That's nuts. I'm blown away. This shit is so clean. Like, this was just clouds of dirt. Like the whole floor, even my outfit yesterday, I was super dusty. This is nuts, man. I'm telling y'all, I gotta get with my boy, man. He gonna get you right. That's crazy. Man, I'm telling you, hey, just about having the right tools though, for real. That's for sure amazing, man. Yeah, we about to slide though. Like I said, man, get with my boy, man. He gonna get you right. He gonna pull up on you if you got a van, car, bike, dirt bike, everything, top of the line, whatever you need, man, he gonna get you right. Y'all see it here first. Hey, nah, definitely. I'm telling you, y'all see it here. Y'all been seeing all the videos every day how dirty I've been. Look how clean it is now. Literally shining. I can't wait to get that paint set now. I gotta get that wax on it. Yes, sir, man. Catch y'all in a second. Yes, sir, man. So we just pulling up out of the shop. I had my boy Noah pull up and get me right. I appreciate the hell out of him for pulling up and washing the bike. If y'all really been watching the past two videos I uploaded of the 2019 Roadglide, y'all can definitely see how much dirt was built up on that bike over time from it sitting at the auction. So now y'all can see how clean it is and why I am embracing it so much, because that thing is wet and it looked that much better, man. Like, seriously. So make sure y'all enter to win that joint, man. Literally, y'all can have action at that, plus the truck, man. We're giving them joints away, excuse me, to one of you lucky guys, man. So it can be you. Literally, grab you a red Kicks by Dre cap to enter to win that joint, man. I'm telling y'all, we slide it, not hide it, man. We making it happen.